Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015 is presented by Lotus White Glow. Lotus White Glow, India's first lighting and whitening gel cream. Powered by Jindal Panther. Jindal Panther, सच्चे सरिये की पहचान, पैंथर का निशान. In association with Maruti Suzuki, Way of Life, Dynalome Teen Park, the 3G roofing shed, Datamation, Shop with Confidence, Bharat Raj, Jodi Khasaja Ohom Kontan, Bharat Raj.
Twenty-first century marketing আৰু publicity যুগ ভাল marketing আৰু publicity বাবে লাগে এটি ধুনীয়া মুখ এনেকুৱা এখন মুখ যাক সকলো ৰাইজে পছন্দ কৰে লাগিলে হেয়া কিবা প্ৰডাক্টৰে হওক বা কেলেণ্ডাৰৰে যিয়ে দিয়ে দ্য গেটৱে টু দ্য গ্লেমাৰ এণ্ড চেলিব্ৰিটিহুড আৰু এই ষ্টাৰডমৰ জাৰ্ণিৰ বাবে ফ'কাছ হাই-ফাই কেলেণ্ডাৰ গাৰ্ল 2015তকৈ ভাল আৰু কি হ'ব
Hello, Namaste, Adab, a very good evening viewers. Moi Yudi, apnalokor babe loi ahisu second season of Lotus White Glow presents Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015, powered by Jindal Panthers. Ekinta dorshok apnalok janabo bicharu this is season 2 girls get ready because ei bochor hobo olop tough competition because এই বছর we have something very new for you all. So more fun, more excitement. Are you all ready? Yo is not working. Are you all ready? Yes! That's how you should sound. আৰু এইখিনি দৰ্শক আপোনালোকক জনাব বিচাৰো যে এই দীঘলীয়া যাত্ৰাটো মই অকলশৰীয়াকৈ কেতিয়াও সম্ভৱ কৰিব নোৱাৰো. So it's time for me to call on stage my हमदम, my साथी I would say जो मुझे मदद करने आ रहा है इस लंबे से जर्नी में जो मैं चाहता हूं नहीं एक्चुअली लेकिन क्या करे दिस इज रूल एंड ही इज माय को-एंकर माय फ्रेंड ए वेल नोन फेस विक्रम
Namaskar and thank you Yuri, thank you so much and all the best to all the girls and I am privileged to be here. I am looking forward बहुत ভাল experience हो আমার সবরে and I am sure we are going to have a lot of good time Yuri.
Yes. আৰু এইখিনিতে মই আমাৰ সকলো দৰ্শকক নতুন বছৰৰ শুভকামনা যাচিছো আৰু লগতে গাৰ্লছ হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়াৰ টু ইউ টু
Very happy new year. So girls, are you guys ready?
Yes!
Perfect. We have beautiful faces here and I think we are going to make a beautiful couple on the screen. Nonetheless, that's fun.
I hope
Yuri will move on and I shall have my time with the ladies here. What say?
Okay. But wait a second, I'm senior. This is the second season I'm hosting. How come? Always respect your seniors, right? Yes. So girls, are you all excited? Wish you a very good luck. Do well. So, Vikram, let's get rolling. Well viewers, আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাইছে ইতিমধ্যে আমাৰ মাজত উপস্থিত হৈছেহি কেইবাগৰাকী সুন্দৰী প্ৰতিযোগী who will fight to win this ultimate title of Lotus White Glow presents Focus Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015 powered by Jindal Panthers.
Let's get to know the girls one by one, shall we?
Of course, let's get all rolling. Well girls, are you all excited? Because this can change your life forever. Are you seriously excited?
Yes!
Make some noise, girls. Say we all are the winners.
We are the winners!
Very nice. The audition is going to be very tough this year. Trust me, this is season 2 and we have the finest judge we can get and I'll make sure they will take the best out of you. But before that, let's get introduced to each other.
Hello, I'm Sumita Sharma. I'm from Guwahati. I've completed my graduation and presently I'm working as a Zumba fitness trainer. And apart from this, I always have a strong belief in myself.
Hello, myself Nikat Naz. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh, studying 5 years BLLB.
आपका favorite singer कौन है?
Honey Singh, I love him.
Very nice. Sing a song.
Blue eyes, hypnotized तेरी कर दी है मैनू.
Come on, girls,
I
show some
swear
energy. Come on.
छोटी dress में bomb लग दी मैनू. Glossy lips, off ये tricks, baby लग दी है killer.
Subhasini Dekha. I am from Jorhat and presently I am pursuing BCom 5th semester from JB College. Last time bhabisilu audition dim
Last time you had a winner was that.
asile tapasri ba asile
Right.
tair por bahut inspire hoisu aru last time ki hol goa gusi golo miss hoy gol ebar to miss koribo na etkane ahi golo aru
ফ'কাছ হাই-ফাই কেলেণ্ডাৰ গাৰ্ল 2015-ৰ অডিশ্যনলৈ অহা গোটেই কেইগৰাকী প্ৰতিযোগীৰ ফৰ্মেলিটিজ হৈ গৈছে এতিয়া সময় আহি পৰিল অডিশ্যনৰ
So what's your name?
My name is Chayanika.
Chayanika. Chayanika, তোমাৰ ঘৰ কোন জেগা?
I'm from Nalbari, but I born in Duliajan.
Oh, Duliajan. বঢ়িয়া. আৰু schooling?
Schooling in Duliajan.
Very nice. So you are a rapper.
Yes, I'm a rapper.
So what do you want to be?
So, would you girls ready to hear a rap? Hey y'all, you know this is Tranika, the whole new rapist. So here I go. It's an jogyum, much jogyum, nasi jubji manyom, sucking. Treya bod the TJ1 in Namjo Are Joe. TV show na nari, culture munda so. Bitchin under the dan in Jana number show. Nega micha baby. Setting an anoli Mari, sissing get a gazi nan. You and I look so fine, I got the side of Missika.
What's your name?
Daisy
Daisy. Daisy, so you are student or you have done your studies?
Yeah, I'm a student. I'm doing BA from Henry College.
So তোমাৰ hobbies কি?
Our hobby dancing.
So we have one more dancer. আমাৰ মাজত আৰু dancer উপস্থিত আছে. Very good.
ফ'কাছ হাই-ফাই কেলেণ্ডাৰ গাৰ্ল 2015-ৰ অডিশ্যনলৈ অহা গোটেই কেইগৰাকী প্ৰতিযোগী সাজু হৈ আছে অডিশ্যনৰ বাবে কিন্তু তাৰে আগতে চিনাকি কৰাই দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ আমাৰ বিচাৰক মণ্ডলীৰ সৈতে স্তুতি চৌধুৰী
So I'd like to wish all of you the very best of luck and we wish you best in life because winning and losing is just part of life and game as well. Thank you.
সুকল্পা দাস
Focus Hi-Fi Calendar Girl last year মই কৰিছো season 1 it was like a baby then আৰু এতিয়া তো baby তো আৰু বেছি mature হৈ গৈছে and I am very much enthusiastic about it I'm very sure এবাৰ will do much more better work
আৰু মিনু পল
Thank you so much Focus Hi-Fi for giving me this opportunity to be one of the judges for the audition and I wish all the contestants all the best
এইখিনিতে অলপ ভাগৰি পৰিছে আমাৰ সকলো প্ৰতিযোগী অলপ মোৰো ভাগৰ লাগিছে আৰু এইখিনিতে সময় হৈছে চমু বিৰতি লোৱা দৰ্শক আঁতৰি নাযাব Keep watching your favorite show Lotus White Glow presents Focus Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015 powered by Jinder Pantel. So finally we are about to start the audition. So you are first. Devashri, are you nervous?
Pretty nervous.
Why?
This is my first time actually. Yeah, seriously, I'm a beginner in this field, so I don't know like how I'm gonna do this thing. So basically, I'm gonna give my best. So that's it.
All right, wish you all the best. And girls, everyone say all the best to her.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Hello, judges.
Hi.
Hi, good evening. I'm here for my first audition ever in my life. Yeah, so I'm a beginner in this field, so so that's all.
Do you know anything about catwalk?
No,
Okay.
never done.
So why do you want to join the contest?
Actually, I thought of giving it a shot. Yeah, seriously. Like I didn't do anything before. In this.
So what do you think you have in you? You think you're pretty? You think you have the confidence to just go ahead with this?
Well, I just need some guidance.
We need to check your walk. So could you just give a small little walk?
Okay, so we have the first contestant, Hul. And Kenny Castle, how was it?
You know what? They were really nice.
They were
Yeah,
nice?
seriously, they were nice and they were so much courageous, No, sorry. They
Encouraging.
encouraging me, yeah. Seriously.
So you had fun inside?
Yeah.
Were you nervous?
Yeah. No, not at all. Yeah, after meeting them, seriously, they were so much friendly, no? I just love them.
Hi Daisy. কি খবৰ তোমাৰ?
Yeah, ভাল.
I see you're very confident. বহুত ভালকে খোজকাঢ়িছা।
Thank you, ma'am.
আৰু এতিয়া ইয়াতে আহি কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে?
বহুত নাৰ্ভাছ হৈ আছোঁ একচুৱেলি। মই ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইম আহিছোঁ এনেকৈ ইয়াতে, চ' খুবেই ভাল লাগিছে।
বাট দেন তোমাৰ ৱাকটো দেখি এনেকুৱা লাগিছে যে তুমি অলৰেডি এনেকৈ ৰেম্প ৱাক আগতে কৰি পাইছা।
ইয়াপ কৰিছোঁ মই।
চ' ইউ আৰ এ প্ৰফেশ্যনেল?
No, not professional.
Okay.
What is the best quality about you that we should select you here today?
I think I have a good height.
Could you just walk for us once more so that we can take the decision?
Sure, ma'am.
How was it?
It was very awesome. মই এক্সপেক্টেই কৰা নাছিলোঁ যে মেম ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ কুৱেশ্যন কৰিছে মোক সুকল্পা মেম। মই বহুত হেপী।
ভাল লাগিছে?
Yeah, বিৰাট ভাল লাগিছে।
আই এম চিয়'ৰ। এণ্ড কনফিডেঞ্চ লেভেল কি? মানে ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিবা তুমি?
কনফিডেণ্ট লেভেল ঠিকে আছে মোৰ,
ঠিকে
বাট
আছে।
অলপ বহুত নাৰ্ভাছ বেছি হৈছোঁ।
You have to walk the ramp and give your introduction.
তোমাৰ ইন্ট্ৰডাকশ্যনটো দিয়া।
মোৰ নাম মৌচুমী অধিকাৰী। মোৰ ঘৰ গুৱাহাটী বেলতলা।
হাউ অল্ড আৰ ইউ?
কি ক'লে?
বয়স কিমান তোমাৰ?
30।
30।
হয়।
ফাৰ্ষ্টলি মই এটা কথা ক'ব বিচাৰিম যে আই লাইক ইয়ৰ স্মাইল। খুব মৰম লগা হাঁহিটো। আৰু ৱাই ডু ইউ থিংক তোমাৰ কিয় লাগে যে তুমি আফটাৰ বিং 30 years তুমি এনেকুৱা এটা কণ্টেষ্টত অডিশ্যন দিবলৈ আহিবা?
মোৰ সৰুৰ পৰা আছিলে এটা সপোন, মানে মই এক্টিঙৰ প্ৰতি বেছি আগ্ৰহী।
তুমি মেৰিড?
হয়, মই এক্টিঙৰ প্ৰতি আগ্ৰহী, কিন্তু এনেকুৱা চিটুৱেশ্যনত তাৰমানে আপোনাৰ নহ'ল সপোনটো পূৰা। সেইকাৰণে ভাবিছোঁ এতিয়াও সময় আছে, এতিয়াও পাৰ হোৱা নাই সময়।
বাট আই এম চৰি টু চে কেলেণ্ডাৰ গাৰ্লততো তোমাৰ নহ'ব। তোমাৰ মুখখন খুব মৰম লগা, ভেৰি প্লেজেণ্ট ফেচ। এক্টিং ডেফিনেটলি ইউ উইল গেট থ্ৰু। থেংক ইউ।
থেংক ইউ।
হাই, হাউ ৱাজ ইট?
ভালে লাগিছে, কিন্তু মই যিহেতু মেৰিড সেইকাৰণে কেলেণ্ডাৰৰ কাৰণে শ্বুট নহয় বুলি ক'লোঁ।
Oh, that breaks my heart. But nonetheless, you are a beautiful lady and apuni already acting at ase. So I'm sure you'll do very well in the same.
মই একচুৱেলি সুধিছিলোঁ মেৰিড আৰু মেৰিডৰ কথা, তেতিয়া কৈছিলে বোলে পাৰে একো নহয়, সেইকাৰণে আহিলোঁ।
It's all right. All the best. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye.
So, Stuti, you said no to her directly on her face, but she said that she had a dream. She wanted to be on this platform. So, I think...
বহুত বছৰৰ পৰা ট্ৰাই কৰি আছিলে তাই।
See, it's not about a dream or something. To me, you're married, you're 30. I mean, acting is fine. Acting, there is no age for that. But then, to me, it's like, I think for the young generation, I mean, focus hi-fi calendar girls. To me, Judy, you know, if you're like from the age group of 18 to 25, tita thik ase. Misa akha di pele to love nai. So I told her she's good for acting. She's not good for the calendar girl.
In fact, there is a point. Tair face to बहुत धुनिया है. Yes,
I know, I agree.
Agreed, man. बहुत धुनिया है.
But we could have given her another chance, you know, one more chance.
You wanted to observe her more. Like
No, I don't think so. For me, it's a no.
Okay, we'll take a call on this later.
Okay, so for now we are just keeping her on hold.
On hold.
Like
For me, she's out. Hi-Fi Calendar Girl join কৰা ইচ্ছাটো ক'ৰ পৰা হ'ল তোমাৰ আৰু তোমাৰ কি এনেকুৱা কি আছে যে we should select you
সব ইয়াতে ইকুৱেলি গুড এণ্ড নাইচ চবৰ কিবা এটা গুডনেছ আছে কোৱালিটিজ আছে চ' ডেটছ ৱাই ইয়াতে আহিছে মই নকওঁ যে আই এম দ্য বেটাৰ বাট মই ভাবোঁ
তোমাৰ কি আছে চবৰ কথা সোধা নাই তোমাৰ কি আছে
মই ভাবোঁ যে মই এইটো ছাকচেছ হ'ব পাৰোঁ যাৰ বাবে মই ইয়াত আহিছোঁ
থেংক ইউ
প্ৰিয় দৰ্শক বিৰতিৰ পিছত পুনৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ চাই আছে আপোনালোকৰ ফেভৰেট শ্ব' Lotus White Glow presents Focus Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015 powered by Jindal Panther.
So we have একদম participants লাইনত আছে একদম এই লম্বা কিউ এটা আছে ইয়াৰ পৰা তাৰ লকে
ইতিমধ্যে অডিশ্যনৰ বাবে আহিছে বহুতো সুন্দৰী প্ৰতিযোগী কিন্তু তাৰে মাজৰ পৰা আমাৰ বিচাৰক মণ্ডলীয়ে বাছি উলিয়াব মাত্ৰ 24 কেইগৰাকী প্ৰতিযোগী এই টপ 24 ফাইনেলিষ্ট কোন হ'ব তাকে আমি চাম কাৰণ ইয়াৰে মাজৰ পৰা কোনোবা ৰৈ যাব আৰু কোনোবা ঘৰমুৱা হ'ব তোমালোক দুগৰাকী গ'লা ভিতৰত অ'কে ছাপ'জ তুমি চিলেক্ট হৈ গ'লা এই চিলেক্ট নহ'ল কি ক'বা তেতিয়া তুমি তাইক ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৱৰ্ড কি ক'বা
মানে দুজনী ইয়াতে একেলগে চিলেক্ট হ'ম বুলি আহিছিলোঁ তাই কৈছে মোক ইয়াতে একেলগে আমি থাকিম এনজয় কৰিম তাৰপিছত হোটেলত একেলগে থাকিম ৰুম শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিম ভাল লাগিব 7 days চ' তাই নাথাকিলে অবভিয়াছলি মই নিজে ব্ৰেক হৈ যাম
If you been chosen as a calendar girl but your task is every day you will get only 2 liters of water and 250 grams of sprouts
Of course I'll have that
কি নাম তোমাৰ
Monalisha Das
মনালিসা কি গান ভাল পোৱা শুনি
Romantic
romantic সবতকে ভাল লগা গান কোনটো
Happy New Year Manwa lage
মনৱা লাগে
Manwa lage
ও মনৱা তুমি ৰখি কি আছা নাচা আমি মাজতে ৰখিলে তুমি এনেকে যোনটো টাইমত আমি ৰখো তুমি ৰখি যাবা এনেকে অ'কে তাৰপিছত আমি যেতিয়া কণ্টিনিউ কৰিম ইউ উইল ডান্স এগেইন অ'কে মনৱা লাগে Sing, নহ'লে তাই ৰখি দিব চোৱা
Manwa lage
লাগে ৰে সাবৰে লাগে ৰে সাবৰে
I'm Trishna Hazarika from Guwahati. I'm studying BA third sem. My hobbies are dancing, acting, singing. And I'm feeling very proud to be here. And thanks to Focus Hi-Fi for this platform they have given us. Thank you.
Have you prepared the speech?
No, not at all.
Okay, you said your hobby is acting. Could you...
No, acting. I'm a good dancer. Secondly, acting.
And see, Focus Hi-Fi Calendar Girl, if you're not, I mean, there as a model, we'd also like to, you know, cast you in one of the serials.
Yeah.
So we'd like to see a scene enacted by you.
I'm not a good actress.
It's
but
okay, you can try.
I can dance.
We don't want you to dance. We want you to act.
Okay, ঠিক আছে.
এটা এইখন চাইছা নহয় ওম শান্তি ওম
Om Shanti Om. Yeah.
তাত এটা বহুত কমন চিন এটা আছে এক চুটকি সিন্দুৰ কি কিমত তুম কিয়া জানো ৰমেশ বাবু কিন্তু তেনেকৈ নহয় মই যেনেকৈ কৈছোঁ তেনেকৈ নহয়
Oh.
খুব ফূৰ্তিত কোৱাচোন একেটা লাইন
Ek sutki sindu.
It's not sutki, it's chutki.
Chutki. Okay, sorry ha for my Hindi.
no problem we are used to it
Okay.
সেইখিনি বস্তুকে অসমীয়াতে কোৱাচোন
অসমীয়াত কোৱা অসমীয়াত কেনেকৈ কওঁ
ইমানখিনি সিন্দুৰৰ দাম তুমি কি জানিবা ৰমেশ বাবু
ইমানখিনি হিন্দুৰৰ দাম তুমি কি জানিবা ৰমেশ বাবু
she's doing exactly what I'm doing man all right we'd like to see your walk
excited মানে ইমান excited হৈছে নে মই ক'বই পাৰা নাই তথাপি I tried a lot.
And what do you think the result is?
I think হ'ব লাগে I should.
তোমাক silver দিছে নে gold দিছে?
একোৱে দিয়া নাই দেখোন
একো দিয়া নেকি? Oh, I'm sure you'll get through. I hope you get through.
No.
Are you confident?
Yeah, I'm confident.
You're confident?
Yeah.
No, I'm sure you'll get through.
Hi, Chayanika.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank
Are
you
you
so
nervous
much.
right now?
A little bit nervous, but very excited.
Okay. Chayanika, you have written in your form that you will give your best to
Yes.
win this audition and to win the title also.
Yes.
So what is the best you can do to do this? You can do to win the
Yes.
title.
I want to give my best, yes, sure.
Okay.
Each and every task, whatever task will be given to me, I will do it by my full confident. I will be very determined in the whole session.
Okay.
And in this way, I will be in a very confident mood, and I will do my best. will
I
do
like
my
your
best.
confidence.
Thank
I
you
like
so
your
much.
confidence, your body language, and the way you are walking. It gives a very positive vibe.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So we have another judges also. So
Have you earlier practiced catwalk? Like, have you learned it, groomed yourself before?
No, actually, ma'am, I have learned it by myself. I have saw the models how they walk, and
Okay.
by looking at them, I learned by my own.
From where did you learn it? Like from the TV or from watching fashion shows? How?
Yes, from the fashion TV and all.
Okay.
I just used to look at them because I'm a very passionate about this modeling. That's
Okay.
why.
Okay. I have to say, tomorrow catwalk to bahut dhuniya hai. But what we are looking for beside catwalk is because it's a hi-fi calendar girl.
Yes, ma'am.
So at the end of it, it's a calendar that we are looking
Yes,
at.
ma'am.
So we need a very pretty face, which you are,
thank
and
you.
we need confidence that you have already, and a proper attitude. You tomorrow are already asset.
Okay.
So I think from my side, you are in.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
exactly, you're in Chayanika. I'm so convinced with her judgments. We have Stuti also with us. But before I ask Stuti, to say something to you, I am really impressed because you haven't taken any course, no grooming, nothing, and you're here by following the models, in the through the internet. Hats off to you, and keep this passion on. So Stuti,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
more can you in 100%
Thank
all
you
the
so
best
much, ma'am.
thank you
Thank you so much.
And how was it?
It was very rocky inside, and I'm very happy that I got selected.
You're in already. Wow. So we have the first girl in.
So Kalpa, now this is where the competition starts. Seriously,
Actually
मज़ा आ
it
गया
does.
जब ये लड़की यहाँ आई और मैं impressed हो गई ये सुनकर कि उसने कोई training नहीं ली हुई है।
Exactly.
She
মোৰো
was-
সেইটোৱে feel হৈছে তাইক যেনেধৰণে তাই খোজকাঢ়ি আহিছে I thought she's already groomed. অলপমান খালি expression অলপ brush up কৰিব লাগিব, and I think she's good to go for calendar girl.
so far the best
So far,
one
yes.
আৰু চবতকৈ বেছি ভাল লাগিলে যেতিয়া তাই ক'লে যে she is not groomed because I was never groomed so somewhere I see myself in her
What's your name?
Mona SD.
Mona. So I'll call you Mona. And Mona, are you nervous? Very nervous. What do you think is going to go inside? I mean, going to happen inside? একো না বুজি পোৱা নাই মানে কি হৈছে ভিতৰত না এক্সাইটমেণ্ট আছে এক্সাইটমেণ্ট আছে আৰু নাৰ্ভাছনেছো আছে হা বহুত আছে একো নাই all the best just be confident be poised and I'm sure you'll crack it thank you
Hi, Mona. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
What's your last name?
SD.
What is SD?
Subhashni Deka.
Subhashri Deka. All right. Mona Subhashri Deka. Pori asa?
Pori aso.
Jorhat.
Jorhat.
Okay. Are you comfortable in your heels? Prothombar pinisa ne agote pinisa?
Pinisu.
And iman thandat, why have you chosen that outfit? Just a question.
সকলোৱে বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ ড্ৰেছ পৰিৱেশন কৰিছে মই ভাবোঁ এইটো মোৰ কাৰণে অলপ ইউনিক হৈছে তো মই ভাবিছোঁ
Okay. What's your hobby? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy dancing, traveling and
Could you show us any moves of your dance? Just like that. With some music, of course. Could you have some music, please?
Mona, তুমি যেটো কৰি আছা তুমি কৰি থাকিবা মই মাজতে খালি ষ্টপ বুলি কম মই তোমাক দুইবাৰ তিনিবাৰ মান ষ্টপ কম whenever I say stop you just stop in that particular pose and I want to see if you can keep the expression and the pose on hold for 2-3 seconds okay and then again you continue all right so can we have the music again stop continue stop continue all right thank you
We got what we wanted. Thank you. And just a moment, where have you learned that pout? তুমি দেখিবলৈ এনে ইমান মৰম লগা এই পাউটটো কেলে কৈ থাকা বাৰু ধুনীয়া মুখখন বেয়া হৈ যায় don't never pout
হাঁহি থাকিম হাঁহি থাকিম
তোমাৰ হাঁহিটো বৰ ধুনীয়া এনেকৈ পাউট কৰিলে বৰ বেয়া দেখি নকৰিবা চবেই কৰে পাউট তুমি ইউনিক হৈ আহিছা পাউটটো চবেই কৰে নকৰিবা তুমি Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, how was it?
Dance korbo dile.
Dance korna please.
Oh God.
Korna please. All right, that was good fun, and I hope you get through. I am looking forward. Tumar ki lagise? Hoban tumar?
Tenko nisna lagise aro koise mor smile bahut bhalo hoy bole aro mor smile kori bas.
आपके स्माइल पे जजेस फिदा क्या बात है good I wish you all the best I hope you get through and if you get through we'll have some more fun thank you
প্ৰিয় দৰ্শক বিৰতিৰ পাছত পুনৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছো চাই আছে আপোনালোকৰ ফেভৰেট শ্ব
Lotus Herbals White Glow present Focus Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015
powered by Jinder Panther
Ridhusmita, can you just tell us something about yourself, something interesting?
Okay. I'm doing my graduation from Handy Girls College. I'm a graduation student. I love dancing, so I like to explore myself in my dancings only.
So what type of dance do you like to do?
Excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt. You said you like to explore yourself in dancing only. So what are you doing in an audition, which is a gateway to
I'm
modeling?
also interested in modeling.
You never mentioned that, sweetie.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Okay.
You have interrupted, so you can go ahead with it.
No, So I don't need to ask any questions. Sukalpa, would you like to?
ইয়াৰ আগতে ক'ৰবাত ট্ৰাই কৰিছিলে
নাই, this is for the first time.
This for the first time. Since you're here for Calendar Girl 2015 Hi-Fi, so tell me, have you ever watched Focus Hi-Fi before?
Yeah.
You have heard about it?
Yes, I have watched the previous season of Focus Hi-Fi Calendar Girl.
If you get selected, that is, Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015. Last year, আমি কিছুমান টাস্ক কৰিছিলোঁ আৰু এইটো বছৰো আমি আৰু কিছুমান টাস্ক কৰিছোঁ. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So I'll take your word for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, judges.
What's wrong with both of you? Why are you not?
I was asking her something, and all of a sudden she interferes. This is not the way, because I am also one of the judges here.
You might be the judges, but you just can't. You can't go for favoring. I don't like this girl, man. She's
I'm
just
not
doing
doing a favor to anybody. You should have let her complete her sentence, and then you should have interrupted.
I mean, what
And
the-
I'm not doing a
excuse
favor.
me, what is happening?
I'm not doing a favor to anyone, and I liked her very much, and I want her to be selected.
What is happening? I mean, is she here for judging or for favoring?
Mind your language.
Is she here for judging or for favoring? What the hell is happening? Could you please explain? I mean,
Can both of you please calm down?
No, see, I don't want to be here.
Listen to me.
I just don't want to be here. I'm telling
I
you.
am not answerable to you at all, and enough is enough now. I just want to leave right now.
অডিশ্যনৰ উৎসুক আৰু উত্তেজনাময় পৰিস্থিতিয়ে কিছু মুহূৰ্তৰ বাবে হ'লেও বিচাৰকৰ মাজত মতানৈক্যৰ সৃষ্টি কৰিছে।
Yes, Yuri, please let them talk. Please let them talk.
Please, may please get out. We can talk.
No. This has happened twice. Like earlier also she had interrupted, and this I cannot take it anymore.
I'll make sure. I'm sorry, Stuti.
No, see, if she's here at the judges' table, I think she should give a proper judgment.
A platform where you give opportunities to new girls, right?
But not anyone and everyone. You cannot just give them false hopes and dreams.
If you don't like
Say,
the
listen,
girl,
if you
I
want to walk
also
out, you can
don't
walk
like
out.
the girl.
I think you just walked out.
Please.
I thought you just walked out. Don't come back.
Okay, time out. Okay, just listen to me for once. Okay? We are not checking each other. We are not checking each other's list. So whoever is deserving by our all three marks will be counted, right? At the end of it, that girl might be selected, might not be selected. See, if you have given
She's
her
not
list-
even open for discussion. I was just, consulting with her. I mean, this girl is not fit for it. I mean, how can she even consider a woman who is like 30 years old and married? She just reacted. That's her problem. That's not my problem.
That was a thing.
Anyways, I mean, I'm done with this.
I'm so sorry.
I'm anyways
This
cooled
is
down.
like, it's okay. Let's not take it that way. Let's end this aram se, please. Please, Stuti, I'm so sorry.
You don't say
It's okay. Yeah, everyone is cool. Please.
বহুতো ডিছকাশ্যনৰ পাছত আমাৰ জাজে যে তেওঁলোকৰ বিপৰীত বিচাৰধাৰা এৰি অডিশ্যন আগুৱাই নিবলৈ পুনৰ সাজু হ'ল।
I hope you understand. Please. Yeah, can I call the next contestant in?
Yes. Thank you so much, Mini ma'am.
What's your name? Jinti. So Jinti, nervous is Ekdam nervous na? Ekdam nervous na? That is the first girl who's not nervous at all, yeah?
Jinty, introduce yourself.
I am Jinty from Kahilipara. I am doing a job under UNICEF and I am continuing my BCom under IGNOU.
Jita, তুমি entry কৰিছা for the first time. I really liked your face. তোমাৰ face টো বহুত ধুনীয়া. But the only thing that was lacking was your smile. তুমি আৰু অলপ ধুনীয়াকৈ স্মাইল কৰি কিনে আৰু এবাৰ ৱাক কৰি দিবা নেকি?
এইটো কাৰণে এনেকুৱা হয়।
একো নাই, এবাৰ ধুনীয়াকৈ স্মাইল কৰি কিনে আৰু এবাৰ ৱাক কৰি দেখুৱাম মোক। ঠিক আছে? জিন্টি, তুমি এনে হিলছ পিন্ধানে?
হিলছ পিন্ধো।
লাইক যিযোৰ তুমি এতিয়া
এইটো মোৰ কভাৰ হিল হয়।
Okay, so veggies কথা কোৱা নাই, এনে তুমি হিলছ পিন্ধানে?
হিলছ পিন্ধো।
Okay, so you're comfortable with heels?
Yes.
Because তুমি যদি সিলেক্ট হৈ যোৱা তাৰপিছত তুমি এনেকা আমাৰ টাস্ক থাকিব পাৰে য'ত তুমি হিলছ পিন্ধিব লগা হ'ব। So you're comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, so I think I'm done. Okay, thank you so much, Jinty.
Hi.
Hello.
How was it?
It was nice.
Yeah, you're still nervous?
Yes.
You're still nervous? What did they ask you inside?
Yes.
কি সুধিলে তোমাক ভিতৰত?
মোক সুধিলে তুমি হিল পিন্ধা নে নিপিন্ধা?
তুমি হিল পিন্ধা নিপিন্ধা?
হিল মই পিন্ধো। আৰু সেইটোৰ লগত কমফৰ্টেবল হ'বা নে নোহোৱা যদি চিলেক্ট হৈ যোৱা মানে ইয়াৰ পিছত?
So হ'বা নে নোহোৱা?
যেন লাগিছে।
Hello, good evening. Introduction, তোমাৰ পৰিচয়টো দিয়া।
মোৰ নাম ধৰিত্ৰী দাস, মই গুৱাহাটীত থাকোঁ। মই দক্ষিণ কামৰূপ মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা আহিছোঁ।
অলপ লাহে লাহে কথা কোৱা, বুজি পোৱা নাই।
দক্ষিণ কামৰূপ মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা আহিছোঁ। ডিগ্ৰী থাৰ্ড চেম।
ডিগ্ৰী থাৰ্ড চেম। তোমাৰ হাইটটো খুবেই ভাল। তুমি ইয়াত লিখিছা ইউ হেভ টু প্ৰুভ ইয়ৰ চেল্ফ, তুমি নিজক প্ৰুভ কৰিব খুজিছা। কি প্ৰুভ কৰিব খুজিছা তুমি বিচাৰিছা?
এই হাই-ফাই ফ'কাছ এফ এ কেলেণ্ডাৰ গাৰ্ল মই চিলেক্ট হওঁ যদি সেইটো আৰু।
এইফালে আহাচোন। Could you just come forward? I want you to take this bottle. Bottle-টো লোৱা। No problem. তাত গৈ পেলাই থিয় হোৱাচোন। Stand there. So, for a calendar, we need a model. And Focus Hi-Fi is a product, which it's a Focus Hi-Fi calendar product হয়। তেনেকৈ মই তোমাক এটা প্ৰডাক্ট এটা দিছোঁ, তুমি প্ৰডাক্টটো মোক চেল কৰি পেলাই দেখুৱা। কেনেকৈ চেল কৰিবা? যদি তোমাক ইফ ইউ হেভ টু এণ্ডৰ্ছ দিছ প্ৰডাক্ট, ছাপ'জিংলি তুমি বস্তুটো এডভাৰটাইজ কৰিব লাগে, তুমি কেনেকৈ কৰিবা? প'জ, নৰ্মেল প'জ এটা কৰা উইথ দ্য বটল।
তুমি
Do you want some music?
কসমেটিক বুলি ভাবিব পাৰা।
লোটাছ, এইটো লোটাছে স্পন্সৰ কৰিছে।
লোটাছৰ কসমেটিক বুলি ভাবা
হিচাপে তুমি কি কৰিবা? ক্ৰীম, মুখত লগা ক্ৰীম হিচাপে তুমি ইউ কেন শ্ব' আছ, ন' প্ৰব্লেম।
তুমি পিছফালে ঘূৰি চাব পাৰা, সেইজনী ছোৱালীয়ে সেই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ কসমেটিকটোৰ কাৰণে প'জ কৰিছে। তেনেকৈ ধৰণৰ তুমি এইটো কসমেটিকটো বা এইটো প্ৰডাক্টটো ধৰি কিনে তুমি কেনেকৈ প'জ কৰিবা? তুমি কথা ক'ব নালাগে,
তুমি চকুৰে খেলিব পৰা, হাঁহিৰে খেলিব পৰা। তোমাৰ লাগে যদি তোমাৰ ছালখন ধুনীয়া, মানে তোমাৰ স্কিনখন ধুনীয়া, স্কিনখনকে দেখুৱাব পাৰা তুমি।
आपको ऐड नहीं करना है. We are not doing a video ad. We are doing
Don't
a
scare
still
her,
ad.
Meenu, don't scare her. She's so dramatic, I tell you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And how was it?
Very nervous.
কিয় নাৰ্ভাছ হৈ আছা?
Yeah.
মানে ভিতৰত কেনেকৈ গ'ল? পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ কেনেকৈ আছিল? কি সুধিলে?
Question very tough.
ভেৰি টাফ। কি সুধিছিলে?
এড কৰিব দিছে ইজ দ্য লটাছৰ এড কৰিব দিছে। কেনেকুৱাকৈ মই মানে কিবা এটা চেল কৰিব লগা হ'লে তেনেকৈ মানে এড কৰিম, টিভিত হওক বা বেলেগত হওক, ভিডিঅ'ত হওক, তেনেকৈ।
Hi. Nervous?
Yeah, very much.
What do? You're studying?
Yeah.
Where?
JP Law College.
Oh, you're a lawyer.
I would be lawyer.
You would be lawyer. Wow. মানে আমাৰ ইয়াত বহুত ভাল ভাল contestants আছে এইবাৰ. We have lawyers, we have rappers. Are you confident? Are you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit, but I'm excited too.
Yeah, you're accustomed to it. You've been doing modeling before?
No.
No, first time?
Yeah.
why are you the best? To me, how will you prove it to us that you are the best?
I think I'll give my 100% and I'll definitely get it by my poses and my smile. I think.
So give me 3 poses. Tinta pose. 1 pose will show how bold you are. Second is how determined you are. And third is you're passionate.
Okay.
All right? So just give me 3 poses. Bold. Okay. Determined. It's determined. I think that is bold enough. Okay. Think of something like determined is, very concentrated look. So give me a very concentrated look. You don't have to move your body much. You can just play with your expression. Me, mukhor expression e diye mukh dekhai dia. Okay, and passionate. This is not passionate. This was determined.
You should just open your lips a bit. When you do something passionate, just keep your lips a little open. It looks very sexy. Keep it a little open. Better.
Thank you, Nikat, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're nervous? No, not nervous. Have you done this before?
Yeah, once.
Once? Where?
I was selected for Princess Miss Nautilus.
Wow. So we have a princess here.
Hi, Farah. Good evening.
Good evening.
What do you do?
I'm doing 5 years law.
Sorry?
I'm doing 5 years law.
I can't hear you. Could you be a little clearer?
Yeah,
Ki kori asa
I
tumi?
am doing 5 years law.
5 years law.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
So, why do you think, you should get into modeling? Audition for a contest like Focus Hi-Fi.
Because I love modeling and I think it is the best platform for the young stars to come in the glamour world and all. And I like to participate here, so I am here today.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello, miss. Could you please come back? Just a moment. Could you please come back? Tumar ga beya niki?
Come on, just.
You're unwell.
Yeah.
See, when you're unwell and when you come for an audition, jita tumi auditionot aha, jiman ga beya thakileo mukhor jita hahintu thake, you always look nice. Do not forget to give that smile.
Okay.
Gute tumi jita ahisa humai pele, tumi mukhon peketa ahisa, and you look ugly. Trust me. With this, never do that.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Your introduction, please.
Yeah, I'm Shruti Das.
Mic to Portla.
My Shruti Das. My HS second year final disu. Aru my modeling of bahut shock. So it's my first time. So I feel nervous.
Tomar height to bhal. I like your hair as well.
Thank you so much.
Lovely hair. Aru catwalk kobat hikisa niki?
Teniko ego hika nai.
Thik ase. Titia hole if you get selected,
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll be able to teach you. Kintu tetia leke, I suggest keteo catwalk no koriba, normal khuz diba.
Okay.
Because your catwalk is really bad.
Even if you're selected or not selected, hetu matter no kore. Eta bortoman ki matter kore is like even if 1% of our advices might affect your future. Jab tumi yar pisot jodi keteba kobat audition dibo jua, the walk that you did, normally we call it a pony walk, but then tumar catwalk to pony walk to hua nasile, khali tumi kick to korisila. Turn gote, which is really looking awkward.
Okay.
Hi-Fi Calendar Girl 2015 is presented by Lotus White Glow. Lotus White Glow, India's first lighting and whitening gel cream. Powered by Jindal Panther. Jindal Panther, सच्चे सरिये की पहचान, Panther का निशान. In association with Maruti Suzuki, Way of Life, Dynalome Teen Path, the 3G roofing sheet. Datamation, shop with confidence. Bharat Raj, Jodi Khasarja Ohom Kontan, Bharat Raj.